time offers one of the best opportunities for contact and interaction with children. First, make sure the water temperature is right, about 36 or 37 degrees. Then put in the bath wash, specifically designed for babies. It's important to use a delicate baby wash because children's skin is very thin and sensitive. This helps prevent irritation and redness. Now everything is ready. Place the baby into the water slowly to allow her to get used to the water. Keep one hand under the armpit to support the baby's head with your forearm and place the other under the bottom until she is resting on the bottom of the bath. It is important to support the baby's head and never leave the child unattended for any reason, even for a few seconds. Thoroughly wash the whole body, paying particular attention to the folds of the skin, because that is where residues that promote irritation hide. 2 or 3 minutes is enough. And now it's time to dry. Don't forget to use moisturizer. Massage it in using slow circular motions. It makes the baby feel wonderful, and it is also good for her skin.